Hello everyone, welcome to my simple zoology class. In today's video, I'll be dealing with the topic that is called as blood circulation from the first year portion. Here we get to understand how the blood circulation in different categories of vertebrates have been seen. So here if you see I've written over here the param. Param is nothing but P stands for Pisces, amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammals. Okay, if I have to tell in detail one by one, we'll understand how does this circulation category works out. Starting from fishes. Fishes have a specific category that is called as venous heart. Now, what exactly is venous heart? Here, the blood is getting collected with the carbon dioxide that itself is called as what? This whole thing is getting circulated inside the body system. Hence, it is called as what? Venous heart. Apart from that, they have one auricle and one ventricle and also a specific structure that is called as sinus venosus. If you can see over here, a diagrammatic representation also is being mentioned, that is sinus venosus. Here it is present at the topmost region of the auricle. Okay. Then coming to the next one, they have what type of circulation? They have single circulation. If you can see over here, a diagrammatic representation is also being mentioned. That is, heart is going to send deoxygenated blood to the gills, which undergoes oxygenation and sends to the different body parts. So from these body parts, it is going to send back the deoxygenated blood back to the heart, and it undergoes again deoxygenated blood is sent to the gills for oxygenation. If I have to repeat once again, heart sends deoxygenated blood to the gills, which undergoes oxygenation, sent to the different body parts, undergoes deoxygenation, sent back to the heart. This itself is called as what? Single circulation. Now, coming to the second category, that is incomplete double circulation. Incomplete double circulation. Now here, this category of circulation is seen in the case of amphibia and reptile. If I have to start with amphibia, they have two auricles and one ventricle plus sinus venosus and conus arteriosus, which is also called as truncus arteriosus. Please do remember conus arteriosus or truncus arteriosus. This sinus venosus is present on top of auricle and conus arteriosus is present on top of the ventricle region. So hence these make sure that there is proper blood supply taking place, and these two are basically called as accessory, something which is going to make sure that there is proper supply of the or circulation of the blood taking place to the entire body system. So here they act as what? They act as accessory sacs. Okay, now here why is it called as incomplete double circulation is that in the reptiles and amphibians the auricles are divided into just what? Auricles, two auricles, that is right and left, and auricle is going to, I'll just write it down over here, auricle is going to get, what does it get? Auricle gets deoxygenated blood, and that is right auricle. If I have to be more specific, okay, this is very important. Right auricle gets deoxygenated blood and left auricle is going to get oxygenated blood, okay, from the body. Now but there is only one ventricle present. Because of its having one ventricle, you call it as what? Incompletely divided. So once from the right auricle having deoxygenated blood, from left auricle having oxygenated blood comes in contact with this only ventricle present. So because of its incomplete division, here the pure and impure blood, that is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, is going to get mixed up. So hence you call it as what? Incomplete double circulation. Okay, this is the second part, but there are exceptions, that is crocodile. They have complete well developed ones. So these are the exceptions that comes under the reptile category. Then coming to the third and the important one, the third category is complete double circulation. Complete double circulation. So this category you get to see in the case of aves and mammals. Where do you get to see? Aves and mammals. Now I will directly jump to the conclusion. The right portion of the heart. Okay, what is the right portion of the heart called as? Right portion is called as pulmonary heart. Okay, I'll tell you why. So wait till I completely explain it to you. The left one is called as systemic heart. Now, why so? I'll directly jump to conclusion. Okay, I'll just draw first and make you understand so that it will be easy for you. Also, I'll take it as right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here itself, I'll tell about the valves also, so need not have to worry. Okay, now what exactly happens? Organs on one end. Okay, fine. So from the lungs, what is happening? First, left auricle is going to receive oxygenated blood. Okay, how is it going to receive? Here I'll be concluding that part also because you'll remember it very well. Through four, totally four pulmonary veins. Okay, lungs are going to receive oxygenated blood to the left auricle through four pulmonary veins. Now, the left auricle having oxygenated blood is going to supply it to the left ventricle through a valve that is called as bicuspid, also known as mitral valve, also known as what? Mitral valve. Okay, 2. Then from the left ventricle, it is going to supply oxygenated blood itself to the different parts of the body through aorta. Through what? Through aorta. Once it comes in contact with the different regions of the body, it is going to undergo what? Deoxygenation. Okay, now the deoxygenation blood or deoxygenated blood is sent to right auricle. Okay, the right auricle is going to receive the deoxygenated blood through what? Through the help of, or the right atrium is going to receive it through superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Okay, and there is another one also, I'll be dealing it in one of the video, that is called as coronary sinus. Coronary sinus. So what did I just say? The organs, it undergoes, once the oxygenated blood through aorta from the left ventricle is being sent, it undergoes deoxygenation, and the deoxygenated blood is going to supply to right atrium through upper parts of the body through superior vena cava, lower parts of the body inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus is through the layer of the heart, and that layer is called as myocardium. Myocardium. Okay, then it is going to send the deoxygenated blood from the right auricle through to the right ventricle through a valve that is called as tricuspid valve. Okay, tricuspid valve. Now from here it is going to send back to the lungs, that is the deoxygenated blood itself. I'll write down over here deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery. Okay, I'll repeat the whole mechanism. First of all, I'll tell you where does the systemic and pulmonary circuit come. This forms the pulmonary circuit, that is the upper portion, and this forms the systemic circuit. Okay, I'll repeat the whole story once again. The lungs is going to send the oxygenated blood through pulmonary veins, totally four in number, to the left auricle. From the left auricle through bicuspid or mitral valve is sent to the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, the oxygenated blood through aorta is sent to different parts of the body where it undergoes deoxygenation. The deoxygenated blood is sent to the right auricle from the upper parts of the body through superior vena cava, from lower parts of the body through inferior vena cava, and from one of the middle layer, that is of the heart, that is called as myocardium, and that is called as coronary sinus. Now the right auricle is going to leave the deoxygenated blood into right ventricle through tricuspid valve, and now the deoxygenated blood is finally sent back to the lungs through the structure that is called as what? Pulmonary artery. Okay, so this is the whole thing. The remaining part, semilunar valves, all those things will be taught in one of the video. So till then, I hope I was crystal clear in whatever the circulatory pathways is being taught in today's video. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.